We are pleased to show you the 2010 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 145,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, remote engine start, navigation system, anti-lock braking system, power lift gate, keyless entry, backup camera, power passenger seat, heated seats, traction control. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.